Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Compx NLC8051KA415-14A. This is a cabinet lock, disc tumbler style cam lock in a bright nickel finish with a 7/16 of an inch length cylinder. Let's go over that now. So this is an unusual cam lock in the sense that the body is intended for a max material thickness of 7/64 of an inch. That's quite small, 7/64 of an inch. Just less than an eighth of an inch is what this is intended for. That's the body, and here's of course the disc tumbler cam, and this is in the KA415 or the 415 key number. And is a complete kit. Sorry, going to insert the key here. There we go. That'll get in there like that. Okay, and that's what your completed installation will look like. Now, being a complete cylinder kit, you're going to get several other items with the key lock. Let's take a look at it now. Okay, so first of all, you're going to get the body, the cylinder, 2 original Compx keys. Okay, you will get a cylinder collar should you want to dress the face of that up. You will get a pronged ring for the back side of the unit as well. Pardon me, for the front of the unit, not for the back side. That will allow you to, with those prongs that are there, allow you to sink into the face of what you're installing this into. You're then going to get 2 tail pieces, a straight tail piece and then an offset tail piece. You will then get the cylinder nut. You will get the screw that's going to hold the tail piece on the back side of the cylinder. The screw, the tail piece simply goes on. Okay. There's a washer that is used should you need, and then also that very flat screw will insert into all of that and allow you to tighten it down and make a very complete solid installation. Then the final thing is you'll get 3 different height plastic shim pads that can be inserted into these small holes that are in the tail pieces. The square preps go on the back of the cylinders. Those small holes that are there allow you to insert those fillers into should you need to shim it in any direction. So you can see, based on this information or all the applied included material, you can accommodate several different variations. So each lock comes with 1 stop washer, and that's what this is. This is your stop washer. This is going to go on the back side. I had misspoken earlier. This will go on the back side and is going to allow your, correcting myself, the stop washer is not included with this because this cylinder will only make a 90-degree rotation, and you can remove the key in either the locked or unlocked position. So it only rotates 90 degree either way. That used on drawers, used on other applications where you have an incredibly small material thickness. Cams are included for lipped or overlay construction, which your straight cam. You have the ability to use the offset cam as well. And let's go over the dimensional properties. First, let's start with the cylinder body. Underside of the head to the back of the cylinder itself, it looks like it's about, like they said, 7/16. That threaded area there is about 3/8 of an inch. Okay. Now, the length of the overall length of the straight cam is about 1 inch and 13/16. From the center of where the tailpiece will mount on the back of the cylinder to the edge, it's about 1.5 inches or so. Then your offset overall, about 1 inch and 7/16. center line to the end of that, it's about 1.125 inches. Then, of course, the offset. And overall, it's about like 3/8 of an inch, which is really what they're talking about. Okay. Then, moving on, key removable both in locked and unlocked position is supplied with 2 original keys. Okay. Now, in the part number, the KA15 means that you're getting the key number 415. Regardless of how many of these you order, they'll all be the same key. This client needs 2 locks keyed alike, and that's indeed what they ordered, just 2. The 14A in the part number means that you're getting a chrome or bright nickel finish. It's more appropriate to call it bright nickel. Okay. Now, there is a link below this video to a document called Cut Sheet, which is very handy. It allows you to review this cylinder against several other common cylinders, and has a very handy chart to show you the max material thickness that they'll work with, and then different part numbers based on how the part number changes as the material thickness changes and the finish changes as well. Below this is also an exploded view of this cylinder in particular, showing how these work. And again, I just want to clarify, because I said it 2 different ways. This pronged washer goes on the back side and will bite into the wood and will help prevent any unintentional rotation of this material at all. The diameter, the drilling hole diameter is there, 3/4 inch is what's required. Okay, 90-degree rotation, and we'll also show you how to go about attaching cams based on what your application is. Flush, where you use the offset cam, a lifter overlay, or a full overlay, a partial overlay with the straight cam, and then a full overlay with the offset cam. So there's different ways to go about doing that. And then, of course, you've got those little plastic inserts that will allow you to completely finish off your installation. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page on our website, where you can view not only all the Compx products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to the full line catalog. The full line catalog is very handy, albeit quite overwhelmingly comprehensive when it comes to Compx locks. But if you're looking for high quality cam locks, the name Compx is synonymous with it. So that catalog is a great resource. When it comes to cam locks, they're my go-to, because they're comprehensive and their material is generally a very short lead time, along with excellent customer service and technical support. Every time I call them with a question, they answer it quickly and immediately and pleasantly, every single time. Any questions on the Compx NLC8015 or KA415-14A or any other Compx product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.